Part 1 of 30, everything you need to know about the Apelles palette. What is the Apelles palette? Where does it come from? I learned about this from one of the greatest masters of all time, Odd Nerdrum. It is named after the legendary ancient Greek painter Apelles, who inspired it. He gained a reputation in his time after he painted portraits of the king of Macedonia and a young Alexander the Great. These portraits were so successful that Apelles was named the court painter of Macedonia, which was the dominant state of Hellenistic Greece. Apelles used a palette consisting of only white, black, yellow, and red. What's the benefit of using this palette? The simplicity makes it easy to mix skin colors very quickly. It's easy to reflect nature without the colors becoming too vibrant or disturbing. For the same reason, it makes it easy to understand how the colors will work together when mixed. So if you're interested in painting like the old masters, I highly recommend this palette just because it makes the mixing and the process of actually creating various colors in harmony extremely simple. Join me in the next part to learn what colors go into this palette.